Getting it clean?
Huh?
Getting it clean?
It's hard. It's hard.
It is, because it's you have to reach.
Yeah.
I think I'll pass on coming up. Don't you dare shoot me. Get that awning clean. Huh? I did. I fed him. What you doing, Hank? You watching Daddy wash the RV? Yeah? Last side, right?
Yeah. Then the wheels.
Then the wheels. Windows have been washed on the other side, so we're waiting to do this side. And what are you waiting for? You waiting for us to be finished?
Don't let any water spots get on there. Oh, always feels good when you finish, doesn't it?
Yes.
I need some water, Hank. Make sure you get the hubcaps.
These don't have to be washed.
That's fine. I'm gonna cool it down there a little bit, all right? I'm gonna cool it down just a little bit. What's the matter with you? Huh? Yeah, I hear you. Oh, you're a good boy.